Now we are discussing Chandrayaan. It's a Satish Chavan Space Center, that is Sriharikota. Launching vehicle is geosynchronous satellite MK3, and lander, propulsion, and rover. Demonstration of safe soft landing, demonstration of roving, and in situ scientific experiment, HOP experiment. So Ramba was the Langmuir probe to measure near surface plasma electronic density, and Chaste is a Chandra surface thermophysical experiment instrument for lunar seismic activity. Alpha particle X-ray spectrometer and the laser induced breakdown spectroscope and the shape electropolarimeter for the habitable planet Earth. So that was the signature of the habitable planet Earth, near infrared wavelength. Temperature is the 70-degree temperature, could be the 20 to 30. Presence of the sulfur and other element was aluminium, calcium, iron, chromium. Plasma was the Langmuir probe, and that was the radio wave is easily passed. And natural seismic activity, that was Chandrayaan 3 rover was the diameter, and it was Pragyan rover, that is the Indian airplane of the ISRO, and not acting dusty. Now there was not stored anyways the size, shape, and chemistry. Lunar soil, that was the regolith and the fragmented unsolidated rock material. Component of the lunar regolith, that was the agglutinates of the moon. ISRO was the return the Chandrayaan 3 propulsive module, and that was the demonstrate of the gravity as the around the celestial body. Now there was a mission of the lunar to prepare the three-dimensional atlas, that was Chandrayaan 1, and detect the water vapor, discover water ice in the North Polar region, and that was the Ocean-Meghna hypothesis. Detect the X-ray signals of the weak solar flares and new spinal ice rocks. Widen the scientific objective of the soft landing, and that was the detection of the hydroxyl radical, water molecule, and the water signatures, and distribution of the argon, detecting the minor elements of this solar flare. The South Korea, that was the orbital, will be soon on the moon, and the Japan was the Hakuto R mission, that was the Japan. Its name is the Hakuto mission. Russia was the sample gathering from the southern pole of the moon. USA was the crewed the mission to the moon, and the Israel and the Bereshit 2, that was USA is for the moon. It is Artemis mission, and Luna mission in the Russia, Japan Hakuto mission, and Korea is the Danuri mission. Danuri is in the Korea, and Israel is the Bereshit 2. Bereshit 2 is Israel mission. Okay. So Chandrayaan soft landing is very important. So this is Tiranga point and Shiv Shakti point. Sport where the Vikram lander, and National Space Day, that was 23 August. World first mission to the soft landing, and the fourth country to soft landing. So it is fourth country now soft landing, and that was a purpose of the craft mission to already fulfill. Now the rough braking phase lander and the propulsion module. Deboost begin with this. Now attitude hold using the thruster. Vikram reduce the speed further, and the Vikram is surface cave for the obstacle. Terminal descent. Difficult trains and the distance are given. Speed soft landing is a lunar module means to the going from a 6,000 km as a moon have a atmosphere. The parachute cannot slow, so lunar dust can be obscured the camera and lenses. So there was a larger landing site 5 into, and increase the landing velocity. Velocity increased 2 meter per second, and the improve the thrust for Predator. Now there was the other improvement in the largest solar panel. Rigorous testing. Moon southern pole was the crater have been untouched by sunlight, and the permanency crater holds to the water. Copernicus crater, sea of the Serenity equator, and the Tycho crater. So position advantage, future space, and now there was easier to safer land and terrain. Next is tidal locking. ISRO was which were put to the sleep survive the lunar nights. So the diurnal temperature range of the moon is very high, and Therefore, the lander and rover were before lunar sunset daytime and the temperature of 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Nighttime temperature was 208 degree and the high diurnal temperature was caused by the absence of the atmosphere tidal locking. A moon solar was a lunar day in the take to the complete one rotation of the axis of the sun. And now there was a lunar day that was approximately of the 2 week. Shape of the moon of the temperature makes it difficult to keep the spacecraft systematic alive. Research and now there was a near side of the moon visible from the earth. Relative smoother and the crust was larger volcanic plain. Illuminated sunlight during this new moon and the huge crater make it non-conducive space mission. China Chang'e mission and distortion was the gravitational force and out of phasing. So stretched and distorted the alternative high and the low ozone tides. And now there was the Aditya 1 L1. It was the India's first space-based observatory class solar mission launched by the PSLV C-55. C-55 is for the Aditya and it is PSLV. Okay, so solar upper atmosphere chromospheric corona and the chromospheric coronal heating is given and there was a in situ plasma environment. L1 is the payload and the visible emission line coronagraph solar ultra imaging solar low energy Helios. Helios is also given Aditya solar wind particle experiment plasma analyzing advanced triaxial high resolution first time onboard intelligence detect the solar flares and energy solar wind and the position of the space small for the gravitational pull. That was L1 L2 and that was unstable. So L1 is the continuous observation of the sun and NASA and ESA joint solar helioscopic mission SOHO mission. SOHO mission is that was the NASA and ESA. Okay, that is heliospheric observatory. James Webb L2 point and other solar is the Parker that was NASA, heliospheric European and the Kaofu mission that was China. So you know about the Kaofu mission. Kaofu is the China's mission. Kaofu. Okay, so layer of the sun, internal structure, then subsurface, photosphere, sun, chromosphere and prominence of the now coronal hole on corona. फोटोस्फेयर का मतलब होता है जहाँ पे टोटल कलर्स होते हैं, ठीक है, 400 किलोमीटर तक की जो डिस्क है. देन क्रोमोस्फेयर का मतलब लाइक फोटो का मतलब लाइट्स डीपेस्ट लाइट्स होंगी. क्रोमोस्फेयर में कलर्स होते हैं 4000 किलोमीटर तक होता है ये सारा. एंड ट्रांजिशनल रीजन 100 किलोमीटर तक होता है. देयर वाज ए कोरोनल होल्स ऑफ द डार्क एरिया ऑफ द सोलर कोरोना डार्क एरिया एंड दैट वाज सन स्पॉट एरिया विच इज़ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड sun surface. And now there was the coronal mass of the impact of the satellite electronics. Now next one is solar wind. So NASA and ESA was working to a charged particle major source of the solar wind expel the intermittently structure of the corona and that sun mainly of the proton electron and the magnetosphere some charged particle deep through the cusp magnetic disturbances and storms is also. Gaganyaan mission that was astronaut have announced the Gaganyaan. It is the Gaganyaan first flight test vehicle mission 1 that was single stage liquid rocket demonstration of human spacecraft of 400 km and it was geosynchronous satellites and that was MK3. MK3 was geosynchronous and that was geosynchronous MK3. Gaganyaan environment control and life support system was a Russia, China, USA main mission. Designed this Vikas engine and Vikas is a liquid fuel rocket engine. And now there was a robot Vyomitra. Vyomitra is a ISRO rocket for the Gaganyaan. Its name is Vyomitra. Service module propulsion system. Now C-20 cryogenic engine. So it is the engine that was a mission Gaganyaan में यूज़ में लिया गया है. CE-20 cryogenic temperature -150 to 273 degree, completely more powerful and the gas generator cycle liquid oxygen, liquid hydrogen, semi-cryogenic, refined kerosene instead of liquid hydrogen. So we are using now refined kerosene यूज़ में ले रहे हैं, ठीक है. नेविगेशन विद इंडियन constellation Navik. Navik is a constellation इंडियन एंड माइक्रोचिप्स होती हैं. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ साइंस एंड माइटी is working the gadget, and that was the second generation नाविक सर्विस. इंडिपेंडेंट इसरो, एंड दैट वाज द जियोस्टेशनरी ऑर्बिट में 3 सैटेलाइट्स हैं और 4 जो हैं जियोसिंक्रोनस में. बेटर पोजीशनिंग हो गई है जीपीएस की, एंड इट इज़ द अबाउट द अर्थ सरफेस लेजर सिग्नल ब्लॉकेज हिमालय, एंड दैट वाज स्टैंडर्ड्स पोजीशन सर्विस and restricted service. A need for the Navik is for the foreign satellite system, global positioning system, and that was terrestrial, aerial, and the marine. So that was Navik is the regional satellite based augmented service. Airport Authority of India and the ISRO is working for the Navik. It is Africa and Australia. First was world which is certified for the approach and study of the ionospheric behavior and the transportation, railway survey, and the maritime. Now there was a world which is precision approach. Now Sagar Sampark, it is indigenous differential global navigation satellite system. Sagar Sampark was the enhancement of the correct error inaccuracy, and that was global positioning GPS in the USA. And now Sputnik Koya system, GLONASS in Russia, Galileo and the Beidou in China, Galileo in Europe. Gravitational wave. Scientists recently unveiled the evidence of gravitational wave, cosmic wave. It is the low frequency cosmic wave, and fabric energetic events, black hole and neutron stars collision. So object very high speed. So there was a gravitational wave, and the general theory of relativity first detected to the laser interferometer gravitational observatory LIGO. So LIGO is given to be this 2015 when a star exposed the asymmetrical curve supernova and 2 big stars orbits, and when 2 black holes orbit or other merge, and that was responsible for gravitational wave and black hole neutron star merger. So higher frequency gravitational wave comes, and that was the lower frequency wave comes. Related to the development of the concept of the gravity, and Einstein was given the space and time are not independent. Gravitational attraction was a result of the bending the fabric and greater mass, extreme warping space star, and that was the space time more. So the earth and the sun are the body form the similar curvature, and there was a sun, earth, and everything else also moving of the curvature. So it is the ripple effect, and the gravitational waves are the effect of the light on the background source that is arises curvature, and lensing is distortion. Now there was a giant meter waves radio telescope, studying the astrophysical phenomena, and that was giant metawares and radio telescope, National Center for Radio Astrophysics, Pune. And pulsar is a distant rapidly rotating neutron star. It is the pulsar, and it is burst place of the extremely interval of the cosmic block, high magnetic enormous speed, and that was the electromagnetic radiations. Okay, India LIGO project, laser interferometer gravitational wave observatory. LIGO is the advanced gravitational wave observatory, and that was extract the Louisiana and the Washington, a fourth detector of the Kagra, Japan in the pipeline. Hingoli district of Maharashtra, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Science and Technology is a collaborative project for the India Research Institution of the LIGO. So Einstein telescope collaboration has been the agreement on the Sun. It is a proposed underground infrastructure to host a third generation gravitational wave. LISA is also gravitational wave observation is LISA Pathfinder, ESA USA, and that was the collaboration of the NASA. So ESA and NASA is working for the LISA Pathfinder. Okay, and LISA observatory is also given. Evolved LISA. So ELISA mission is the यूनिवर्स के बारे में देखना. मदर एंड 2 डॉटर स्पेसक्राफ्ट कंसिस्ट ऑफ, दैट वाज द यूनिवर्स. तो इफ़ यू आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द यूनिवर्स, that means you are going to the ELISA, and if you are distant gravitational wave, then you are going to LISA. Okay, black hole and time dilation. So next is about the black hole. Scientist is talking about the black hole, that is quasars. pass only about a fifth of the current rate. So extreme active luminous type of the active galactic nucleus and the tremendous active supermassive black holes are Milky Way near the Milky Way. So there was depend the motion of gravitational field. Einstein theory of the general relativity. Object was loss of the mass, strongest and gravity, the more space-time and curve. So laboratory for testing the fundamental theory, explain the universe and understanding the gravitational forces. So there was a Einstein general relativity and your age that slightly slower or faster, stronger weakened gravitational field. Jupiter that was 18.4 second your age and the moon that was 629 millisecond. The cosmic body gravity is the pull for the light cannot be escaped. And now formation, most of the black hole are the from the rampant of the largest star supernova explosion is given, and this cannot be directly observed, but the area just outside the boundary of the black hole, all kind of radiation including the visible light. Now next is the black hole. So primordial black hole form in the first second after the birth of universe. Stellar black hole that is center of the very big star. Intermediate black hole that is 100 to 100 to 1000 of the time the sun masses, that is the intermediate, and the supermassive black hole that was almost every large galaxy. So the basic part of this is the child radius and ergosphere that was the black hole rotating, then the spins its mass cause the space-time around the black hole. So relative jet star are the absorbed the black hole jet particle, and this is the disk superheated gaseous dust and around the black hole at the immense speed, and that was the photon sphere hot plasma black hole trajectory, and that was the energy cannot be escaped. Event horizon, so energy cannot be escaped, and this gravity, that is the event horizon. Okay, singularity center, the very center of the black hole where the matter has collapsed in a region is infinite density, that is singularity center. And the photon sphere, the hot plasma near to the black hole, that is photon sphere. And relatively jet is a particle radiation, and accretion disk is given. Dark matter, so now dark matter is that both luminous and that is universe and growing. So this is microwave detector of the Atacama Cosmic Telescope. Einstein predictions of the theory and the standard model of the cosmology. Big Bang, so the invisible world, and there was a Big Bang explain the existence of cosmic wave, emergence of universe, and the Albert Einstein general theory of relativity, cosmological principle, that was fossil radiation and cool rampant first lights, and there was a get deflected. Lumpiness is the measurement showed the lumpinous universe, and exact right of this. Expansion rate was given, gravitational lensing was also given. Dark matter, normal matter does not interact the electromagnetic force, so the existence of dark matter is a gravitational effect. Visible matter is roughly 27% of the universe, and the dark energy is the 68% of the universe, and normal matter is the 5% of the universe. So dark matter is about the 27% of the universe is the dark matter, and dark energy is the 68%, and normal matter is the 5%. So James Webb Space Telescope, that was the dense heart of Milky Way galaxy, revealed the new features, and that was the Sagittarius C Milky Way galaxy, and that was a questioning the standard model of the cosmology. James Webb is a NASA European Space Agency. Both are working for the James Webb, and it is the successor of Hubble and the low mass galaxy, and that was the unfolded study of the Big Bang and Milky Way. The Hubble telescope, that was the Edwin Hubble, provided the mathematical universal expansion of the Hubble constant calculated by the brightness of the supernova and the background. Now neutrino particles, so they provide the information about the astrophysical sources, understanding the phenomena of the neutrino, enhance the understanding basic physical laws. The produce of 15 kilometer, and that was the pion, and muons is also fundamental particle of the electron, so it can't be broken down. So very tiny mass, no charge and half spin, चार्ज नहीं होता है इसमें, ठीक है, चार्जलेस होता है ये. स्पिन भी नहीं होता, ट्रेवल ऑलमोस्ट द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट, ओके, एंड स्ट्रेट लाइन में भी जा सकता है। गोस्ट पार्टिकल को भी कह सकते हैं हम न्यूट्रिनो, एंड एटम्स ऑफ द यूनिवर्स बनते हैं। नाउ देयर इज अ ग्रेविटी, वीक फोर्स होता है यहाँ पे, 15 किलोमीटर में ये बनेगा। नाउ देयर वाज ए सन, और सन के पास में एक्सप्लोजिव स्टार्स होते हैं। सो नाउ द नेचुरल रेडियो एक्टिविटी होता है, मल्टी इंस्ट्रूमेंट एफर्ट्स, एंड दैट इज़ द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी एंड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी वर्किंग फॉर जॉइंटली मल्टी इंस्टीट्यूशनल एफर्ट्स। एंड आयरन कैलोरीमीटर, दैट इज़ डिटेक्टर है न्यूट्रिनो का, आयरन कैलोरीमीटर। एंड द बॉडी वेस्ट हिल्स रीजन, दैट वाज द तमिलनाडु बॉडी वेस्ट हिल रीजन। वहाँ पर एक थैनी विलेज है तमिलनाडु में, जहाँ पर न्यूट्रिनो को डिटेक्ट किया जाता है ड्यू टू प्रॉक्सिमिटी ऑफ द इक्वेटर से, इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉक्सिमिटी है इसलिए, ठीक है। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द जुपिटर मून एंड एक्सप्लोरर जूस मिशन। सो यूरोपियन स्पेस एजेंसी वर्क कर रही है जूस मिशन पर, फ्रेंच गुयाना में, एरियाना 5। लार्जर ओसिन एंड द गैनीमेड, कैलिस्ट्रो यूरोपा, मून वेदर एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। Gala is include the Gala, and that was Moon and Jupiter imaging spectrometer. That was double gravity assist. That was the largest planet. Jovian planet, that are Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, and primarily hydrogen, helium. So second highest number of the Moon and Saturn is given. Pioneer 10, that was from NASA. Voyager 1, that was NASA. Galileo NASA, Ulysses is NASA ESA, Juno is also NASA, Europa is also NASA. So Ulysses mission is ESA, Ulysses mission is NASA and ESA. Rest all are NASA. Asteroids, NASA Oryx Rex mission, it is in Bennu, back to the Earth. So Oryx Rex is the acronym for Origin of Spectral Interpretation of Resource Identification and Regolith Explorer. So that was the Bennu Osiris Rex. It is Osiris Rex. Okay, that is about the collect the sample of the asteroid Bennu and carbon-rich asteroid. That is a new mission to the asteroid Apophis, and it is Apophis that is the new mission. Apophis is also a asteroid, and Osiris Rex, that was the Apophis explorer. So comet is the icy object, asteroid is a rocky object, meteoroid is the meteoroid fragment, meteoroids is the asteroid, comet planet fragment of rocky metallical mineral. Meteor is a strike light seen, meteoroids heats atmosphere. So the main asteroid belt is the Mars and Jupiter, and Trojan share the orbit of the larger planet. They are the rampant or Earth solar system. NASA Lucy mission is for the Trojan asteroids. Okay, and the near Earth asteroid, that was the Earth cruiser. Insight on the formation of solar system, the origin of life, planetary of the composition, structure, space exploration, technology, design, and all that. Outer space governance. So see, outer space is what? Outer space means the future of outer space government. UN is working for the all humanity outer space governance. So 1958 United Nations Committee for Peaceful Use of Outer Space was given, and that was Outer Space Treaty 1967. Now the Rescue Agreement of 1968, Asteroids and Liability Convention 1972, Registration Convention, Moon Agreements are given. So the space debris are the Australian shore, about the space debris, natural artificial particle of the Russia, USA, China and France, thousands of the discarded vehicle, and that was collision was given, and it was density objects, and the low Earth orbit was due to the space pollution, and that was cursed to be this collision. Donald J. Kessler, and that was the Kessler is given the NASA's ISRO system for the safe sustainable space operation, and the Project Netra, that was first in information of the debris, that is the Project Netra, and the Clear Space mission is ESA, and ISRO का है sustainable space management. Okay, these all missions are very important. And Kessler system syndrome. Kessler system is low Earth orbit to the space pollution. So collision between the object could be the cascade in the collision. That is the Kessler. Donald Kessler 1978 proposed the Kessler syndrome. Now next one is the Goldilocks zone, the habitable zone of not too hot, not too cold. Exoplanet is the new Jupiter-sized exoplanet. Name is TOI 460b. This is the stars and the rogue planets, so very gas-rich and the hygiene world. Now next is fast radio burst, bright and the brief burst of the electromagnetic radiation, and it is through the galaxy. They pass through the gas and the higher frequency measures matter. Now next one is the gamma ray burst. The new study of the have a potent temporarily destroy of the ozone layer, and that was most powerful violent explosion of the high energy light, and that is electromagnetic radiation of the supernova. Quasi-moon. Quasi-moon is discovered a asteroid of along the earth recently considered a quasi-moon, and that is influenced by the earth gravitational pull. That is the quasi-moon. So it is discovered new asteroid. Quasi-moon is what? It is a asteroid. Zero shadow day. Zero shadow day is a phenomena. Sun is exactly overhead. The shadow of symmetrical vertical vanishes. This happens to the location between tropics and curves the northern southern motion of the sun. Now Blazar. Indian Astronomical Observatory is the observed the brightening of the BL Lacerate Blazar. Blazar is type of galaxy. It's a humanoid black hole among one of the brightest and most powerful object emitting to the energy. That was a blazar. Other important news, that was electromagnetic cyclotron wave. So plasma is a fourth state of matter. Equatorial latitude, which is the long magnitude field of the line. High latitude ionosphere, killer electron, space-borne technology. Magnetosphere is a planet magnetic fields, and that was the geomagnetic oscillations are the altitudes, amplitude, module, and the structure. Now satellite communication. So any communication link that involve use of artificial satellites and the ground segment. So from International Telecommunication Union, the in India assigned radio frequency spectrum. Department of Telecommunication and Telecommunication Service, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, or Space Application Center for Ahmedabad is the Nab Mitra for the safety. It is the Nab Mitra, and that was the satellite-based communication of this terrestrial and user station. Flamingo project. Flamingo is the Virgo consortium, that was the all sky mapping for the interpretation of next generation observations. So Virgo is the consortium was the cosmological supercomputer simulation, and that was the include the international grouping of the scientists, USA, Germany, Netherlands, Canada, and United States and Japan. So Flamingo is what? That is the supercomputing simulation, all sky mapping, and that is about the structure of the all sky. Next generation. Fast finite element analysis structure. Vikram Sarabhai finite element analysis software computerizing method, real world process of rocket, aircraft, and satellite. And Betelgeuse. It is 7 brightest star in the sky. That is Betelgeuse. It is a star. Okay, and that is the carbon burning stage will be hydrogen and helium compress the core and into the neutrino star and black hole. Now near space command the hypersonic weapon force, and that is a national aerospace 18 km above the sea level and 160 km above the sea level. No man's land, too thin and support the flight. Operational military gravity is too strong, so there is a very few of this system is a near space for the week or the month. Unmanned aerial vehicle whose mission is 24 to 40 hours. Satellite region is less costly. So this region is 18 km above the sea level and 160 km above the sea level. No man's land, and there is a too thin support the flight. Most operational military aircraft gravity is too strong and sustain itself, and very few aircraft fly there. That's why that is the near space region, and it is the gravity is too strong here. That's why very few aircraft are there, and it is for a week or month. Unmanned aerial vehicle whose mission is 24 to 40 hours. Satellite in the region is less costly. That is a near space. So satellites are the less costly. Now we are going to discuss about the health in the next chapter.